Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 8 and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this smartphone. So we will use external application from the Play Store, Green Apple keyboard, from RV apps. Let's install. Right now let's open. Click to enable in the settings. Tap on the switcher. Click OK. Go back. Tap to switch input methods. And right now we have to switch from Green Apple keyboard. This one. Click to finish. And take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme looks very close to the iPhone, to the iOS device, and basically that's all. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.